Let's start the beginning.
It's my wallet. It's ruining my life. I finally got the courage to talk to her. I said hi. She said hi. Wow. I offered to pay for her cappuccino. Declined. Declined again. I couldn't believe it. My money just disappeared. Then I dragged myself back to my car, and like an idiot, I dropped my key card down the drain. Later at the drive-thru, it was like a credit card avalanche. That's when it went from bad to worse.
Ooh, ouch. Sounds like your wallet needs an upgrade. I have 2 words for you. Shuffle wallet.
Shuffle wallets?
Yes, this was me before Shuffle Wallet. It's just so easy to use, stylish, and packed with features. Imagine this. With Shuffle, your personal information is safe with its built-in RFID protection. Plus, you have easy access to your most used cards with its quick draw slot that's also, you guessed it, RFID protected. Its built-in NFC contact card lets you share your contact information with a single tap. Now that's cool. With the silicone pouch, you can store and use everyday items like key cards. It fans open, making your cards accessible and secure. Plus, it looks fabulous. So, Stephen, the only remaining question, which color do you choose?
Thank you so much, doctor.
No problem. It's what I do. Shuffle Wallet, available now on Kickstarter.